Well, fellow smoke bow shooters, that's a Hawkins 54 caliber. I'm shooting round balls today. We're up at the Cheyenne pistol rifle range, and we'll be going after that far target down there. Checked it with my rangefinder, and it said it's 77 yards. So we'll see how we're going to do. We'll be shooting open sights, and we're going to be shooting round balls. So let's see what happens. Oop. Gotta load it up here. I don't know if you can see this or not, but shooting 80 grains of powder, black powder. Load this puppy up, card it off, charge it. Pretty much all there is to it right there. Then take round ball, patch. Of course, I set this up the night before I go hunting. I wouldn't be playing with it. Simply put the patch on, center it the best you can. There you go. Use the starter. Make sure the bullet is seated. And then charge it using a star charger. Nope, out of primers. Oh, hang on a second, I gotta get some primers. Good thing I carry a good amount of them with me. That's what they come in. Just put them in the charger, the star charger. Alright. Wouldn't be handling them out in the field anyway, so what I gotta do is put the cap on like that. Make sure the powder is covered up. We don't want that going off on us. Put it back to half cock. And here we go. Let me make sure you can see the end of this bad boy. Alright. Gonna pull the set trigger. Wow. Alright. Let's go down and see what kind of damage we did to the target.